This is a film showing what it's like to drive in a blizzard in Canada. Blowing snow blankets the countryside and reduces the visibility on the roads to near zero or zero at times. It was impossible to see the vehicle ahead, so extreme caution was required when driving. However, it would be unsafe to stop as the vehicle approaching from the rear would not be able to see you and a rear-end collision would be likely. The snowplow equipped with a wing plow was working hard in difficult conditions to clear the road surface and to push the snow off the shoulders. It was a relief to emerge from the blowing snow into an area of good visibility and escape the dangerous driving conditions.
Take me somewhere nice, to some tired island in your heart called